Hey guys, I just wanted to touch base with you. I know the past couple years, if you guys have been following me, have been a little choppy, and I just wanted to touch base on that, but also get a little poll going and see how you guys felt about this concept I had brewing. Like you guys have probably noticed, things have been a little inconsistent, partially because of environmental issues, neighbors, etc., but a big aspect has been health. And I'm glad to say that I have my health on track. I did a genealogy test and I figured out the underlying reason why I was having issues. So I was, really depleted of energy a lot of the times. I was stressed out, been going through a lot in the past really decade, just progressively worse. And so I have a few genetic mutations that, amongst other things, in a nutshell, basically make it very hard for me to detox. So I'm 42 years old now. That's a lifetime of environmental toxins. Wasn't exactly the healthiest growing up, but I am grateful that my health led me on this path, this journey, growing my own food, gardening and everything. But so what I'm really posing here, I'm feeling better. I'm in the mood to do more videos now. I'm feeling a little more enthusiastic, but I also want to touch ground on my health journey, and also just not only my health journey, but helping other people and touching base on a few key aspects of my life that I'm fixing that I can help other people fix. So my thing is, do I start a new channel or do I add health stuff with this channel? I'm also incorporating plant medicine. You guys have probably seen some of my previous videos, and that's actually helped me a lot. I've actually been incorporating stuff like that, AI, all sorts of stuff. So it's a unique chapter in my life. I still continue on gardening, sharing tutorials with you guys, sharing my journey, hopefully even more enthusiastically now. But that's a big part of my life that I'd like to share with you guys. I just don't know how you would feel about seeing more health stuff on this channel, or if I should have another channel and focus on that. So let me know down below how you guys feel about that. And either way, I hope to see you guys soon.